So this is video 3 for week number 2 for ITCE, and we're starting at slide number 14. So the first slide that I had for the elevator pitch was what is an elevator pitch, and then the next slide was the 5 parts to it. And then this slide, if you click the link, it goes directly to her elevator pitch that she's created for her company, Cupcake something or other. Okay, this slide is another video on elevator pitches. You're welcome to watch it if you want to do some more learning. Just be mindful that you're going to use the content and organization in Amy's video, not this one for the assignment, and just some more resources. Okay, in class, we're going to do an elevator pitch activity. So we're going to practice together how it should be organized and what kind of content you might include in your elevator pitch. So I invite you right now to pause the video if you need to and go to week 2 in DC Connect and open the MS Word elevator pitch activity that's posted there. And this is a template that you can actually type into it, your elevator pitch, so that when you're ready, and I'll be talking about the assignment later in this class, to record your elevator pitch to submit for grading, you'll have it already written and you'll know that you've followed the organization that's required for the assignment. Okay, so when you open it up, it says scenario, you're at the dentist's office. This is because you're going to give a pitch, and we want to have you give a pitch to somebody, or there's got to be a reason that you're making a pitch. So I came up with this scenario. You're at the dentist's office. Everybody goes to the dentist. So you've probably been to a dentist's office before. You know the people there are helpful. So let's pretend you're at the dentist's office, and these nice chatty people that usually help you, you notice one of them is struggling with something at their computer. So before you get up and go help them, because you're such a helpful person, you think, hey, I might as well make a little sales pitch about how awesome I am and who I am and my skills, because everybody goes to the dentist. And maybe after helping this person, they'll keep me in mind when they're talking to IT people, IT recruiters that come to the dentist's office and drop my name. And maybe I'll get a job this way or promoted. Okay, so Amy tells you in the video to engage with a relatable question. So the reason is she's currently struggling, this dental person, with something on her computer, and you want to get her attention, right? So that she listens to the rest of your pitch. So you might say, are you struggling with your computer? And now you've got her attention. Okay, so that's a relatable question, something. And then you explain what you do. So you're going to tell her who you are so that she listens. Are you struggling with your computer? So tell her you're an IT person, you're an IT student, you're a whatever. And I've given you some examples of what you might say on the template. Then you're gonna, this is where you've got this product, right? The product is you, and you're gonna talk about what makes you special, what makes you unique, what are your good features. So incorporate something from your high 5 that's one of your powers, your superpowers, your strengths. And then give an example of how you use that superpower, hopefully in an IT situation, to resolve a problem, to get acknowledged by your professor or something. And then, again, it's an elevator pitch. It's short and quick, but it has a conclusion. And the conclusion is some passion about what you're doing. So we'll do this together in class to make sure you know, like I said, the content and how to organize the elevator pitch for the personal brand assignment.